at PebbleGo, and we're using PebbleGo today for research. Once we've researched, we're going to learn how to get a citation from PebbleGo to use for our project. Okay, first thing you're going to do is sign into PebbleGo, make a selection, choose an animal that you would like to learn more about, or species, first of all. From there, you're going to select an animal. Your information should appear, and you will then read and listen to the information about your animal, making sure to go to each of these tabs to learn about the habitat, food, life cycle, and then gathering fun facts. You also have the option to read more. Once you've gathered 2 to 3 facts about your animal and written that information on your graphic organizer, you will then want to make sure to cite this as your source. Now, in order to do that, you would come to the bottom of the screen and click where it says Cite. This is going to be your citation, your reference, or your source for your project. You're going to copy this information just as it's written here on your graphic organizer. You also have the option to copy this citation to the clipboard of your computer to use in a digital project. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Copy of the citation. And now that is how you use PebbleGo for research and how to cite information from PebbleGo.